welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kia, your favorite, and I'm back with another video. I'm all dressed up, looking cute, smelling good, about to head into the office. But first, I wanted to film this video real quick on how I layer my fragrances to make them last all day, and how I unlock and uncover unique scents by like mixing and layering fragrances. So if you're interested in seeing my take on how I wear my scents, just keep on watching. So y'all, for me, I absolutely love fragrances. I love perfumes. I have a decent little collection. I think I would say I have maybe like 40 to 50 perfumes if you like count them all up. So I have a decent little collection going on because I think that layering fragrances is just a great way to just create a vibe about yourself. And also, you know, I like to dress this effortless and classy kind of style and vibe. So when you partner fragrances with that, it just adds another layer of dimension to like, who's that girl? When you walk past someone and kind of get a waft of what they smell like. When I turned 28 in October, I was like, you know, 28 is just about smelling good. 27, I said, no goals, just vibes. And that was one of my best years. And then I wanted to kind of keep that energy going. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna just smell as good as I can in this year. And that's exactly what I did. And I get so many compliments. Every time, you know, I go anywhere or go into the office, they say, Kia, we always know that you're here because we can smell your scent on the elevator or like when you walk through the door. And that's not to say that, you know, the fragrances are loud or anything like that, because I've definitely asked my coworkers, but they just say like, no, we genuinely enjoy, you know, what you're wearing every day, and it's, you know, kind of fun for everyone to kind of smell what I'm wearing. So with that being said, let's hop right in. All right, so I know it kind of starts in the shower. If you want to smell good, you have to take a shower, make sure everything is clean and everything. Personally, to me, I don't really use any body washes that are so highly fragrant that add to my scent layering combo. This is the Method body wash, the Pure Peace, and it is the Rose Water Pink Salt. This is my favorite body wash, and they have this at Target, and I love rose scents. Like, rose is one of my top favorite fragrance notes. So that is just like my everyday body wash that I like to use. I kind of alternate between two of them, and this is one. I don't think it really makes a difference between what the fragrance ends up smelling like, but if you're interested to know, I know a lot of people say that, so that's what I use in the shower. Next, yes, I am one of the EOS ladies. I think this is a really great lotion. To me, it's very moisturizing, but it's not overly thick and greasy, and they have a really great scent. So I have the vanilla scent. They have this other scent that's like clean and fresh, and it smells like cotton candy and linen-y to me. And then this is their pink champagne, and to me this kind of smells like a peach Bellini fruity kind of vibe. So whenever I have something with like a fruity or orangey or, you know, more florally fruity note, try saying that 5 times fast, florally fruity, I grab for this one. I think this lotion is very versatile. It smells very good on its own when you put it on, and to me it's moisturizing. The way I lotion myself up is once I get off of the shower, I pat myself dry a little bit, and then immediately I put my lotion, body butter, whatever it is I'm going to be wearing for the day, I put that on. So that's what I did today. Next, to seal in the lotion and create shine, you need a body oil. So some of you may have seen these, some of you may have not, but this is a body oil from the brand Brown Sugar Babe, and I absolutely love these body oils. I think I have like 10 or 12, maybe more of these oils because they're just that good. It has like castor oil, argan oil, and different oils that really like moisturize as well as, you know, make you smell good. So this is a fragrant body oil. So what I do is I'll put my lotion on, and then directly on top it just has like this twist off cap, and then it has this little like dropper thing here, and I just like, you know, pour some. You really don't need a lot. This is one that I've used frequently, and you can see there's only like this dent in there, but this is one of my like go-to kind of combos. It's funny because this is kind of like one of my going out date night hot girl combos a little bit, but I'm wearing it to the office today just because, you know, it's summertime and I'm, you know, feeling a little extra, and those people are not the only people I see all day. Anyways, so yeah, this is in the scent Cloud 9, and this is a marshmallowy floral scent, and it just pairs so well again with this pink champagne from EOS. So yes, moisturizing and sealing in with the oil is literally the key to smelling good all day, because it gives a good base for you to spray your fragrances on top of. And plus, y'all don't know how many times I've been asked, what am I wearing? People always say, you're always so shiny, your skin is glowy, your legs are so shiny. People are always asking me what I have on, and sometimes it's different things because I have a lot of different oils and butters and stuff like that in my collection. If you guys are interested in a more in-depth video, just let me know. But a lot of times I am wearing these Brown Sugar Babe oils. A little goes a long way, and they smell so good. Even if you just want to smell good in the house, you just moisturize, put a couple drops of this on, and you're good to go to just be, you know, smelling yourself and being all yummy all day. So I absolutely love these oils. Again, this is the scent Cloud 9. So the moment we've all been waiting for, the fragrance. So I used 2 fragrances today. I usually always wear more than 1 fragrance, but this is the Prada Paradoxe Intense. This is a orange blossom, and I think neroli is in here, vanilla. So this has a slight citrus vibe to it, which I'm not a citrus girl at all, but don't think citrus as in like, you know, cleaning product. Just think it's like a light little, it's almost like a tea in a sense. This isn't a tea scent, but think of how like citrus, you know, brings itself out like when you're drinking a tea. It's not like so pungent once the herbs and everything are dry, but you know that flavor base, that hint is there. That's kind of how I would describe this Prada Paradoxe Intense. I really do enjoy this fragrance. And then today I layered it with this Dolce & Gabbana Pour Femme. This has a orange blossom and then like marshmallowy note in it as well, which makes these two pair very, very well together. Both of these have a slight like freshness to them. This one more than the Prada Paradoxe Intense. This almost has like a marshmallowy floral soapy smell to me, and this has a raspberry note in it, and raspberry is one of my top favorite notes of all time, raspberry and marshmallows. And this is one of the fragrances that I would wear when it's too hot to wear perfume, or when you don't feel like wearing perfume. Maybe I should make that video, like scents that I have that are more on the fresh side that can withstand the heat. I would reach for this one, and I think this is because it's so fresh and it has like a clean soapiness almost to it. It's very work appropriate, so it's a good balance with this kind of like hot girl perfume and then this one to kind of round it out, and it's very good for the daytime. I love both of these. This is one of my longer lasting combos that I'm wearing like from start to finish, with the lotion, with the body oil, and with these 2 fragrances. And I get so many compliments every time I wear this fragrance combo. Somebody always has to stop me and ask me like, what are you wearing? And I mostly think it's the Prada Paradoxe that kind of pulls a little bit more, because you'll smell good with the Dolce & Gabbana Pour Femme. It performs well on its own, but when layered with the Prada Paradoxe, it just gives it a little bit more oomph. So these are the 2 that I pulled for today. Now, if I wanted to zhuzh things up just a little bit and take this fragrance combo from day to night, I would grab for my C by Giorgio Armani. This is a vanilla orange blossom, but it's a little bit more sultry. This is what I was originally gonna put on today, but then I said, hold on, I'm going to work. Let me just calm down. Let me chill a little bit. But you know how when you're wearing your fragrances, it wears off a little bit, but it's still that smell that lingers there. This is a perfect one to grab for, to just spray for if you wanted to freshen up and go out for nighttime, to just grab this and just kind of like spray it on. And this would transition the fragrance combo that I'm wearing today from daytime to nighttime. And yeah, it pairs really, really well. So this would be the combo with the Prada Paradoxe and the C by Giorgio Armani. As you can see, like, I love this fragrance. I think I got this one for Christmas or my birthday, something like that. And it's a really big dent in this bottle. All of these bottles have like a decent dent in them. So as you can see, I am enjoying these. So yeah, babes, that pretty much sums it up. Do not sleep on your fragrances, your fragrance combos. Let me know if you want tips to starting a fragrance collection or learning how to layer your fragrances to create unique scents, because as I said, using your fragrances is just another way to, you know, make yourself feel good about yourself, because I love to smell myself throughout the day. And then also, you know, start conversations and just create an aura about yourself with what it is that you're wearing. So I hope you all enjoyed this video on how I layer my scents so they can last all day. And we kind of got, you know, 2 scent combos in one. Let me know down below, have you tried any of these fragrances? Have you heard of them? Do you have them in your collection? Are you a fragrance connoisseur or like a layering guru? I need to know some of y'all fragrance combos as well, because I just love a good little, you know, smell good moment. It's just like, you can't beat it. Thank y'all for tuning into this video. Don't forget to like this video, put a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss my next upload, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye. Y'all know I'll be dressing up for work because I like to look cute, and I'm like one of the only ones, but I'm gonna just do that anyways because that's just how I am. Because if I'm gonna be in there click clacking, I'm gonna look cute while doing it and smell good too. Do y'all dress up for work? Let me know. This is today's look, in case y'all want to see. Look at it. Look at it. Okay.